I have a box with my brand new exhaust. I'm really excited to show it to you. It is a Tomei titanium extreme catback exhaust. My friends, I give you salvation. Welcome to the Church of Tomei. Alright guys, check this out. I've already unwrapped the muffler, which is like the best part of this exhaust. Check this out. This thing's like, this is the size of my torso. It's huge. Alright guys, we're going to get to installing this exhaust, and we'll catch you when it's done. Okay guys, so this is what we're working with here. We have 2 bolts here that need to be taken out. This goes to the muffler. And then there's 2 bolts down, I don't know, down there where that connects to the Y pipe. As you can see, the previous owner has cut out the resonator because there is none here. So easier for us, right? One less part.
It does look nice. Dude, this is stupid! Wow!
Yeah, go. Alright guys, so I want to give you a quick update on the exhaust. This is the day after we installed it. Unfortunately, the exhaust touches the bumper, so it's starting to melt the bumpers. So today what I'm going to be doing is tucking this up so that it's not touching the muffler anymore, and hopefully it'll stop burning the paint off. Okay, so we're going to be taking this part of the bumper and we're going to be tucking it up. I'm going to be drilling holes in this metal piece here, and I'm going to be running zip ties through the bumper, through this metal piece, and tighten it down to tuck it up. Alright, I'm going to switch back to a time lapse and I'll show you guys the finished product when I'm done. Alright guys, it was too dark last night to show you the finished product. This is what it looks like after the bumper tuck. I think it looks really cool. The exhaust sounds great. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, remember to subscribe and leave a like. And stay tuned for more. We're going to be doing more stuff to this car later on. I'll catch you next time.